And good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, June 16th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had two winning trades in gold, no losing trades, and then we had we actually were in the gold trade. People didn't hear this on the crude. I didn't make a good call on that one because we were in the gold trade, but we were talking about it. Nobody got in though, so we're not going to count that trade. But that was a beautiful ES or crude trade. And then we had one trade with an add-on for a winner and another winner. So no losers today. And I'm going to run through it real quick here. Gold, we got short. Um, we had a power play, and that was at 1282.1. That one went down to 1283. 15 to 20 ticks is what we expect, and that's exactly what it went at a minimum. And our first target was hit there, and that was a nice winning trade. Then we had an S play after this red candle here at 939. Candle closed at 1283.1. I said just get long. You'll see it came back a tick. So some people got filled at 83.1, 83.2. It didn't really matter. And we took that one up. Took virtually no heat in the position. 1283.1 up to my target, which was 12, top of the circle, I told everybody, which was 1286.4. So that was about 33 ticks. It actually went higher when it popped up here. It was kind of hanging around here up at 87.2, 87.3. Told everybody, you know, take profits there too if you like. We don't want to be greedy. So the target was 32 ticks. It actually went up another one, about 42 ticks. But the target was 32. Some people grabbed a little more. Nice winning trade there. Like I said, while we were playing around with this trade, I was trying to help people manage it. I started talking about the crude at 48.68. 48.68. I was actually talking about it a couple candles before that when this thing was kind of charging up, and then when the gold popped, I kind of just lost track of this because everybody had questions about managing this. So we didn't get into this trade, but as you'll see, it went from 68. I basically called it. I told everybody about it, but then I didn't call it when it actually was happening. So no trade there, but obviously that would have been a nice winner there. Beautiful winner there up to 40 ticks, 40, 50 ticks. And then in the ES, we got long 83.50. Some of us got long as low as 83. And we took that one up. We had an add-on at 650, went up to 9.25. So we had people long as low as 3, up to 9, about a 6-point trade with a couple point add-on. Okay, I told them everybody here in the ES they had to keep the market stayed positive. They could not do that. They came down, and we thought about getting short up here. We waited a little bit. We ended up getting short at 83. Some people were short 83.50. Some people were short as high as 5/4. But most of us were 83, 83.50, and we actually got out of that trade. We had to get out of it when the room closed. I did offer an add-on, made an extra point down at 77 down here. Told everybody 76 to 75.50. Figured it would be enough to at least profit and get into a risk-free situation, and then when it was bouncing around here, we just had to get out because the room closed. So extra point add on there, but most of us were long from 83, and you took whatever you took until you ran out of contracts, or as long as you wanted to stay in, up to when the room closed, which was around 76. So up to 7 points. So that was so it's a great day today, guys. As usual, we're going to come back tomorrow, do it all over again. And until then, guys, have a wonderful day.